After being pressed for too many times, membrane switches will inevitably have some faults. Some faults can be repaired, while for some of them, you must replace the component as a whole. So what should we do? There are two types of problems for membrane switches: poor contact and defective circuit. There are some reasons that can cause poor contact. Let's talk about three conditions. If the connection between the membrane switch and the equipment is loose, that is, the terminal is loose, poor contact happens. If metal domes are displaced or loosened, poor contact may happen. This is poor contact between metal dome and circuit contact. If the LED bead becomes loose, poor contact will occur. The LED has poor contact with the circuit. All these problems can be solved by repair. But if the circuit is defective, for example, there is a broken circuit or short circuit, conductive silver paste plays a big role in circuit. It shows a powdery solid structure after high temperature baking. And once there is something wrong in circuit, it is basically impossible to repair it. You have to replace the entire membrane switch. JRPanel has rich experience in customization and production of membrane switches and graphic overlays. Welcome to contact us and place an order.